I told everybody I was going to work in the area where the birds are in the bird sanctuary, but I didn't because, you hear that? It's thunder, and that's why I stopped. It's supposed to cool off and we'll be able to get to it tomorrow. But that's it. This is what we're doing. Clean up the area. Here it comes. See that? It's raining. It will help the plants. As I showed you in the last video, I got a tomato and a pepper, and I got squash growing. So this will definitely help with everything. And we'll be able to do it tomorrow. So until then, like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to ding that bell so you get notified when I post a video. That's it.